How to get the 456 frame on your TikTok profile. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can get the 456 frame on your TikTok profile. So let's get started. So 456 frame is basically for all the Squid Games lovers and fans. So what basically it does is that if you're really a Squid Game fan, you can play a game on TikTok and they will give you a 456 frame to just display it on your profile next to your profile picture. And for that, first thing you need to know is that you need to be eligible for that. Basically, it is only available in some of the regions of the world, and if you are within that region, you'll be able to do that. So in order to do that, there are two options how you can get that. You can either go to the search bar or even find any profile that has that 456 frame. When you click on that profile that has a 456 frame, you can just click on their profile picture and you will be able to see an option that says use frame, and then you'll be able to play a game. So let me just show you how the game would look like. So the game would look like something like this, and you gotta basically play this game and you'll get congratulations, you've passed this round. And then after you complete the game, you'll be given and rewarded a 456 frame. And if you cannot find a profile that contains a 456 frame, in order to click on use frame, you can even go to the search bar and search for Squid Game 2, and then you'll be listed some games in front of you, so you can just play that game, and once you play that game you will be rewarded the 456 frame if you win it. And if you cannot see the frame, that means your country is not eligible for that game or in order to get that frame. So that was how you can get the 456 frame on TikTok. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.